Hello everyone, hope you're fine. You are enjoying life and it has taken you on a joy ride. Well, even if it has not, it will take you on a joy ride for sure. There is a time for everything. And today we are going to make chicken jalfrezi, a flavor from Pakistan. It has chicken, boneless chicken in it, and a few veggies in it, and it tastes very nice. And especially for the vegetable lovers, they will like it a lot. And it can be eaten with rice or can be eaten as a standalone dish as well. So I'm going to make that for you people today. But all those who are not yet our YouTube channel family members, I invite you all to become our YouTube channel family members very quickly just by clicking the subscribe button. So do that right now and become our partners in this journey of wellness, of health, of knowledge and power, positivity and practicality, because we also offer free online HRD training workshops. They are there on my channel, so you can benefit from them as well. And we offer organic cooking, healthy cooking, because we take care of your health as well. Okay, so quickly subscribe to the channel before we start off making chicken jalfrezi. First of all, here are the ingredients that we are going to use to make this chicken jalfrezi, and there are so many. Well, there is boneless chicken, 1 kg of boneless chicken here. I have taken onions with it, and onions, you can see the quantity of onions, and they are in cubes. They're cut in cubes and quite big cubes, not small. And 8 to 10 garlic cloves are there, and then I have some around 10 medium-sized tomatoes also. I have, because they were frozen with me, I have put them in warm water and peeled them. Here they are, peeled tomatoes in front of you. And then of course I have some spices with me. And what are the spices? Normal spices, salt and red chili powder. These two are you are going to use according to your taste, not according to my taste. Okay, then you have half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, then 1.5 teaspoon of ground coriander, dried coriander powder, then you have 1 teaspoon of black seeds, 3/4 of a teaspoon of black cumin, 3/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper powder, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Okay, all these spices are going to go into it. And veggies, a few veggies. And which veggies? Now I have cut some potatoes, you can see, in small veggies, not wedges, small diced shaped potatoes. And then we have some capsicum that is also cut with us, and cauliflower and carrots. Okay, these quantities you can adjust according to your taste and choice as well, okay, of these vegetables. So these are all the ingredients we are going to use in this fabulous chicken jalfrezi. First of all, what you do is, in a wok you take some oil and you crush your garlic and add that garlic to your oil in the wok. Okay, let it brown for 1-2 minutes. Let it turn its color, and you see as it disintegrates, the oil becomes hot and the garlic disintegrates into it. It looks so beautiful, and now it has turned color. As it turns color, we're going to add in our crushed tomatoes. Now I've crushed my tomatoes in my hand crusher, and if you don't have frozen tomatoes with you, you can simply cut your tomatoes very fine, and you can add them to the jalfrezi that's cooking now. Okay, so it depends upon the availability of frozen or unfrozen tomatoes with you. At this point, also add in all the spices that we took into the tomatoes. Mix with the help of a spoon or spatula, whatever you're using for cooking, and then add in the onions also. Also add in the potatoes and the capsicum at this point. Also the carrots will go in, and look at the colors now, so beautiful. So just the cauliflower has not gone in, the rest of the veggies have gone in, and mix them together like I have to mix them together, and enjoy the beauty of their colors. Add in the chicken, boneless chicken that we took, and mix it up, and add in the cauliflower as well, and mix everything together. Look how beautiful it is looking now. Now you're going to cover it, put the lid on, and you're going to let it cook for almost half an hour or more, as the need might be. You will see, keep seeing it, keep taking the lid off, and keep mixing it up and checking it whether it's done or not. And also you will taste if the salt and spices that we've used is okay for your taste, or you want to add something more, you can add that. And in half an hour or 35 minutes this will get cooked, and this is the shape that it will get into. Everything is cooked now, nothing is raw, and it's looking so beautiful. Oh my god, so inviting, isn't it? Do you want to eat it now? And here you go, I've dished it out in my dish and put it in my tray, and of course it's ready to serve. It can be a standalone dish, it can be eaten with a spoon, and it can be served with boiled rice as well. It can also be eaten with pita bread or plain bread or chapati or naan or paratha. It depends upon you, your wish and your need. And it can be served to your hotel guests as well. It can be served to your guests at home, to your family, to your friends, to your relatives, to grown-ups, to kids. It's very healthy and it's very tasty as well. So try it and do let me know in the comment section how you liked it. Do like and share the recipe and subscribe to the channel, and become a part of our YouTube channel family. Of course, keep cooking well, keep cooking healthy and yummy food, and keep serving it to your loved ones. Keep others happy, and that will make you happy. Okay, stay healthy, stay happy, and remember me in your prayers.